Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to create a creative lamp. In the Diwali you can make it your own self. First of all take it a waste CD, some glue, scissor, some dotted laces, some decorative laces and few sticker kind of glitting strips and one diya. Apply gum on the CD. We are going to start. Please take your material. Here I am going to start. Apply few gum. After applying the gum, stick it on the center. So here your lamp is placed on the center of the CD. Now I am going to make it Satya here. So I am going to take it red first, cutting a strip, one strip, here two strip, here three strip, again here four strip, and here few curves. First of all I am going to place it this one. You have to mark it whether it is long or a short. Here it is a short, you need to cut it little bit. So all four strips I am going to cut it. Now remove the sticker from the back. Stick it at the center. Same thing here, cut it little bit piece. Remove the sticker. Here two standing lines is done. Now again I am going to cut it in a measured form. If it is in a velcro manner or a sticker base, it will be very useful for you and it will save your time. Here my plus is done. Now I am going to stuck it a curve line there. So you need to mark it here. Put it downside, or you can assume it little bit curve there. Here Here I cut it in a shapes. Now I am going to stuck it. One here. Here it is said to be a swastik is very lucky for our house. So you can make it or you can light a lamp on a swastik. It will be a prosperous Diwali for you. So now I am going to connect it, a few curves and making my swastik. Here my swastik is ready and few dots with a golden color. I am going to make it circle, so I am going to convert 4 pieces. So I am going to turn it into a circle. Here I made a circle. Two more circles. Little bit circle shape should be there. Here your shapes are there. Now I am removing my sticker on from the back side and applying here one circle. This is a tilak in the between. It should be equally placed on a center. Here your swastik is ready. Now it's time to glit it. Take your matchstick and you can light it. Here I am closing my light and I am glitting it. You can see our glitting light there with our swastik. You can make it by your own self, friends. Thank you.